Good afternoon. I'm Tom Bohles, the founder of Founders Law, and today I am delighted to be joined by Adam, the co-founder of Emerald Technology.
Thanks, Tom.
Now, for years, founders and scale-ups have had the same problem, that scaling globally is a legal and operational nightmare. Well, no longer, because today we are announcing a game-changing partnership between Founders Law and Emerald Technology to solve that very problem. Today, we are making global growth smoother, smarter, and way less stressful. No more faceless platforms, just real, embedded support from people who get what you're trying to build.
In a nutshell, who are Emerald and what do they do?
Thanks for the question. Emerald are the go-to partner for tech scale-ups expanding globally. We take care of everything from payroll, compliance, HR, legal. We're ultimately here to support our clients so that they can focus on what they do best and allow us to handle the rest.
Can you explain why you've joined forces with Emerald? What makes them the right fit?
Yeah, absolutely. So primarily because there's a genuine need amongst our customers to have these kind of solutions. And we have had serious problems with other providers in the past who've left our clients high and dry. So we were out looking for a partner who could do this for us. And the second we met Emerald, we just knew they were the team we wanted to work with. Super pragmatic, always finding a solution. And they had that really nice kind of customer human touch point, which made them really unique in the market. So from the first meeting onwards, it's been a great partnership.
What do you believe this partnership brings to companies around the world?
Yeah, I think two things, first and foremost, and that's comfort and certainty. And as a law firm recommending clients to somebody, that is a really, really key piece. So we know that if they go to Emerald, they're going to get certainty of outcome and they're going to get the comfort of having someone on their account looking after them, answering their questions, not a bot, not some faceless Q&A. And that for us is just so crucial and so important.
What are the most common pitfalls companies face when scaling internationally?
That's a great question and a little bit of a minefield. I'll try and focus on the top 3 points. The first one would be employee misclassification. This is a lawsuit waiting to happen, and this is where companies are hiring contractors as full-time employees and not paying the correct taxes in the country. The second one would be around understanding compliance. Every country is different, every law is different. The UK to USA to Singapore to Australia, it's a bit of a minefield. Third one would be choosing the correct partner. There are a few bad ones out there, and unfortunately they're giving a bad reputation to the employer of record market, giving the wrong advice, the wrong support, and it's actually costing clients money, and we're here to support that.
Yeah, and just to jump in on that one, I mean, just from a personal perspective, we as a firm have been engaged a couple of times now to essentially get involved and clean up the mess that was left by a previous EOR provider. And in all of those cases, it was incredibly stressful for the founders and very expensive. So just try and avoid it before it bites you.
What makes Emerald Technology unique versus the competition?
I think my first advice is any employer of record company should be doing the same solution, which is hiring somebody in a country legally and compliantly. What makes Emerald different is the CX and the EX. It's the customer experience and the employee experience. Many of my competitors are a platform self-service operation where you input some data and it kicks something out the other end. We're not dealing with bots, we're dealing with people. And our aim is to put the human element back into human resources. We're here to support our clients and hold them throughout the process and help with any pains that they have along the way.
What about Founders Law made you want to work with them and bring them on as a partner?
Oh, that's a great question. No pressure. I think from the first call that we had with Tom and the team, it was their simplicity that they brought to law in general. They're extremely pragmatic in their approach. They are super sensitive in terms of handling important situations. And I think deep down, they're actually fighting for founders.
Any final remarks?
Just to say, and to reiterate the previous message, we've got a lot of interest in this. the EOR and global scaling proposition is only going to increase over the years, and we think this is a really, really cool end-to-end solution. So if you are interested, if you're a company of any size, sole founder all the way up to corporate, get in touch with us. We can help.